If you're considering buying Process Street for your business, there are a few key things you need to know before making that decision. In this video, we'll walk through 7 things you should be aware of to make sure it's the right fit for your needs and how it stacks up against its competitors. Let's start with what makes Process Street stand out. Unlike traditional task management tools, it's designed for process management, allowing you to create workflows, checklists, and automation. So, if you're looking for something that goes beyond just to-do lists and project boards, Process Street offers a much more organized and actionable approach. But don't expect the same level of visual project tracking you'd get from tools like Monday.com or Trello. The first thing you should know about Process Street is its focus on workflows. It's not just about tasks, it's about standardizing processes across your team. You can create multi-step workflows that can be reused and scaled. This is incredibly valuable for businesses with repetitive tasks like onboarding, audits, or content publishing. This structure can reduce human error, improve efficiency, and keep your team on the same page. Next thing, automation. One of Process Street's standout features is its ability to automate tasks within workflows. For example, you can set up triggers to automatically assign tasks, send notifications, or update statuses when certain conditions are met. Compared to other software like Asana or ClickUp, which offer some automation but often require third-party integrations, Process Street keeps everything in-house, making it much simpler to use right out of the box. The third thing you need to know is the integrations. Process Street offers integrations with popular tools like Zapier, Google Drive, Slack, and others, but it's not as expensive as competitors like Monday.com or Trello, which have native integrations with a wider range of tools. That said, if your business uses core software like Slack, Google Sheets, or CRM tools, Process Street integrates with those seamlessly. The fourth thing is the ease of use. When you first get started with Process Street, you'll notice the user interface is clean, but it does take a little time to get used to if you're coming from a simpler tool. But once you get the hang of it, creating workflows and assigning tasks becomes second nature. The learning curve is manageable, especially if you're familiar with project management tools. But if you're a total newbie, it might take a bit longer to explore all the features. Now let's talk about pricing. While Process Street is generally priced more competitively compared to some of its rivals, it does have tiered plans that can get expensive as you scale your team. For smaller businesses or startups, the basic plan might work well. But if you're an enterprise or looking to leverage advanced features like API access or more complex automations, the premium plan is where you'll need to be. Just be mindful of the pricing when you scale, especially compared to tools like Asana or Monday.com, which might offer more affordable options for larger teams. Next thing is customer support. Process Street support is responsive, and they offer tutorials, guides, and a help center. However, it doesn't offer 24/7 support like some competitors. If you're looking for around-the-clock assistance or need immediate help during off hours, that could be a deal breaker. But for most businesses, the level of support provided is solid enough, especially considering the large user community and plenty of resources available online. The final thing is security. Process Street offers strong data protection with encryption and has compliance features to meet industry standards like SOC 2 Type 2, making it a reliable choice for businesses that need secure, confidential management of their workflows. It's something you don't always see with smaller, less robust tools, making Process Street a good option if security is a concern for your organization. So, if you're still on the fence about Process Street, here's the deal. If you want to try out Process Street and see if it's the right fit for your business, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. With its customizable workflows, task automation, and integrations, it could be exactly what you need to streamline your operations. Don't miss out. Click the link to give it a try today.